In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI clone talking avatar using the best AI clone software, Heygen. It is so convincing, I bet you didn't even realize that I am actually an AI clone. Back to the real me. That's so cool, huh? To create your AI clone avatar, simply record yourself speaking to a camera once and upload to Heygen. Heygen will then generate your AI avatar, which can then deliver any script you provide and in any language. There are so many applications for this, so let's dive in. Go to heygen.com where you can create a free account without a credit card. After logging in, you're presented with this getting started screen. On the left, we have our menu options, and on the right, we have our dashboard. We're going to skip through this tutorial process because you want to learn how to create your own AI clone by using Video Avatar Instant Avatar. The first step to create your instant avatar is to upload a video of yourself speaking. You need to make it a reasonably high quality video submission, and here are the instructions on how to do so. When recording your video, make sure you follow these guidelines closely and avoid these things in red. I've already recorded a small piece to camera, so now I just need to go ahead and upload the video. You can't record using your phone or even just a webcam. Once I've selected the file, I just need to tick these check boxes. The last thing we need to do is record a consent to let Heygen know that we consent to them using this video to generate the AI clone. Okay, once you've done that, just hit submit. So we'll just wait for that to upload. Heygen is the #1 AI clone app out there, and it is very specialized. But for everything else to do with generative AI tools, I recently came across PromeAI, which is an all-in-one AI-powered platform that effortlessly transforms images, sketches, and textual descriptions into detailed, high-quality visuals, images, videos, and animations across various applications. What's more is you can use it absolutely free. As you can see on the homepage, PromeAI can do everything from sketch rendering to image variation and then photo to sketch. We have the trending Creative Fusion, along with AI image staples such as a powerful AI image generator and an AI headshot generator, and more. Edit your images with cutting-edge generative AI such as erase and replace, background remover, relighting, outpainting, and finish it off by upscaling your image. PromeAI also offers built-in AI video capabilities, including image to video and text to video. While we can't cover all PromeAI features today, the innovative sketch rendering feature and its many creative templates are especially noteworthy. Everything from architecture and interior design to gaming design, fashion and products, consumer electronics, packaging design, and more. Let's demonstrate PromeAI's power with an interior design example. I'm going to upload a basic floor plan of a condo. I'll choose the style to be realistic. Then inside the interior scene, choose floor plan, mode, precision, and hit generate. And there, in 20 seconds, it's given me 3 options of a hyper-realistic, accurate, and fully rendered floor plan of this condo. And here is another sketch rendering result, this time using just an architectural sketch, and we can generate realistic 3D rendered images. Background diffusion is another noteworthy feature where you can take an image of an object, choose an object type, add one of the many styles, and PromeAI will generate 3 tasteful backgrounds for you to choose from. The results from other AI tools inside the PromeAI platform are equally impressive, today showcasing just a glimpse of its capabilities. I highly recommend trying it out, so support this channel by using the promo link above, in the description, or the pinned comment below to get your bonuses. Thanks to PromeAI for sponsoring this video. And once uploaded, the avatar will be created in just a few minutes. And you can see here our progress bar. Now this process only needs to be done once for each avatar. Once built, you can just feed it the script that you want it to say. Great, that's now complete and I can check it out. Hey, Tim Harris video, your instant avatar is ready. Okay, that's just a demonstration. It's looking and sounding a lot like me. So let's go further into this how to use Heygen tutorial. Later on down the track, you can get your avatar to speak in different languages with a different outfit or location. And if you want to get real serious, then upgrade to fine tune. It's time to create your custom script. So from here, we're going to go create with AI Studio. Briefly outlining AI Studio, we have our components on the left-hand side and the options to each of those components. On the right, we have our working canvas, as well as our timeline that shows our different layers here. Let's jump straight in though and create a script with my voice. So this is how I created the introduction to this video. I'll copy and paste in the script that I have for that. You'll notice we've got the GPT script writer, which you can use to generate a brand new script or take the one you've got and improve it with prompts like these ones. We get a chance here to preview our script, and after some fine tuning of the speed and a little bit of the grammar, we can get a little bit of a demonstration of what it sounds like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI clone talking avatar. I recommend doing this because if you're not happy with the voice afterwards, you're going to have to spend more credits to regenerate that. Unfortunately, the preview doesn't give you a sample of what it looks like animated, so you just have to go ahead and click submit. You do get one free revision though. After you click the submit button, it'll show you how many credits you have left and how many credits are needed. So I'll hit submit, and then we just wait for that to process. Once done, just click it to open it up and preview it. Let's go full screen to check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI clone talking avatar using the best AI clone software, Heygen. It is so convincing. I bet you didn't even realize that I am actually an AI clone.
That's fantastic. There's so many mannerisms that I have which it's replicated, such as with my eyebrows, the movement of my head, and my hands coming up to make points while I'm speaking. I'm going to give the visuals about an 8 out of 10, and the voice has a little bit of an American accent, but for someone that doesn't know me that well, I think this is convincing, so I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10 as well. The next time I create an avatar, I think I'll try and relax and smile more and maybe even give some more mannerisms. But overall, you can see just how easy it is to create your own AI clone for videos with Heygen. You have the option to add captions here if you like, and from here we can just download the video nice and easily. And if you wanted to take it to the next level, you could even get this translated into different languages with your lips moving according to the words in that target language, which you can do via this easy to follow process. So what are the applications of Heygen? Think of it like this. Anytime you would want to put out professional looking video of yourself for say social media, LinkedIn, marketing content, or even full YouTube videos, don't worry about recording yourself. Just put the script into Heygen and let it create the whole video for you. Check out this video next to see the best free AI video generator app. Also subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.